Alright guys, just finished up this 2024 Denali HD Ultimate. This one got the Cognito Performance Series 4-inch lift. With the Performance Series, you're going to get the upper control arms, the Pitman and idler arm braces, and the Resi shocks front and rear. It's the 2.0 Resi shocks, the Fox. We also did the 37, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Recons. On this particular Resi kit, it does come with a smaller Resi, and they don't come without they come without a sticker, so we ended up cutting some down to fit. It just seemed to look a little bit cleaner with the sticker instead of just being just plain looking. The Cognito arms here. The only trimming that we had to do is to the bottom of the bumper here, and then your inner plastics here. This is the non-torsion drop kit as well, so it keeps the torsion bars above the frame, the factory location. This one got the Resi shocks in the rear as well. This is the smallest true suspension lift. A lot of people want to compare this to the 3-inch kit. There's quite a large ride quality difference between the 3 and the 4. The 4 is going to actually drop the control arms down to maintain that factory angle, which gets you the factory ride. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.